Good afternoon, student. Right now, we are learning about the another concept of a data structure. This is very most important concept. In the last concept, also we got the detailed idea about the linked list. In the linked list part, we also got the detailed idea about the representation of linked list. So, our today's topic explains us the detailed concept about stack and queue. This is very most important concept for your exam also student, for you should have to study in a proper way. So for this I made this video for you. Today we will firstly we will look at the question given in your textbook that explain the stack and queue with a suitable example, or explain LIFO and FIFO system with a suitable example. Two questions are very important given in your textbook. One small diagram I have drawn there for explaining this uh, concept for you. Okay, the both the concept are very important for the exam due to its significance. It is mostly advantageable concept because LIFO means last in first out system and FIFO means the first in first out system. These are the two most important concepts whenever we insert the new data inside the memory, or inside whenever different technology useful. Out of the different technologies, these two technology LIFO and FIFO are very important systems through which we can insert the data or we can recall or through retrieve the data is very simplest way. And stack and queue are the both way are very important to withdraw to retrieve and to insert a new data inside the system. So whenever we want to use the two type of concept, then that time we should have to be aware about the two different topic in the simple sense. So firstly we look at the LIFO system. Before starting the answer of the question, firstly look at the questions given in your textbook. Study the question whatever it wants to explain. Two questions are there including the given question in your textbook. Two questions means one question is divided into stack and queue, and the another system is LIFO and FIFO system. Stack is the another concept, queue is the another concept. We already know about the queue. Generally whenever we want to explain the different concept with the different examples, firstly we will think about the example. Whenever we traveling inside a train, or whenever we travel inside a local bus, that time one gate is available for entry and one another gate is available for the exit gate. So at that time, if we want to take a entry inside the bus or the entry inside the train, at that time only the one exit entry is there, exit out door is there, through which we can go outside from there. If we want to enter into that type of room or that type of bus, then that time only the entry can be available at the one end. So this system available only for the queue. But whenever different things can be put inside the one end closed container, for example, if we think about the CD case. In that CD case, if we want to insert the different CDs in the single stick given in that case, then whenever we want to insert the different CDs inside the CD case, that time the the CD which we want, if this is available at the first time whenever it insert, then we should have to retrieve the different CDs that are above the required CD. Also we can take one example is there. If we want a book that is a stable at the first end, means at the bottom end of the pile of the books, then that time we will have to remove the different books that are above the required books. We can't reach directly, For that, I will explain this concept in detail over the board in our tomorrow's lecture also. But just think whatever I am saying that. Firstly, we will see the example about the LIFO system, last in first out. Means the data which is inserted at the last, that will be retrieved firstly. Means if we input the data like A, B, C and D. For example, if we are input the type of data, for example A, B, C and D in this sequence, then that time if we want to retrieve A, then we will have to retrieve D, C, B and then A will be retrieved in the LIFO system, because there is a last in first out. Means lastly we have inserted D. Have you got this concept? For example, you should have to take a glass of water, and after that if you poured oil in that, then what will happen? The oil will flow over the water, because the weight of oil is less than the water. If you want to retrieve the water from the glass, then you can directly pour the oil, or you can remove the oil at the top and then you can remove the water. Also you can take one example is there. Take your study books and place the Hindi book at the bottom, then place the different books over the Hindi books, different subject books over the Hindi books. Then if you want to retrieve, or if you want to remove the book of Hindi from the closed container and one end is open, then that time you will have to remove the different books from there before retrieving the Hindi book. So that technology tells you the system in which the data inserted at the last will be retrieved at the first, and the data retrieved at the last, whatever data inserted at the first. Clearly the definition says us that whenever you insert the data at the first time, that will be retrieved at lastly in LIFO system. But in the FIFO system, first in first out system, means whatever things you inputted, what are the different things you inserted inside that, that will be removed firstly in the FIFO system. For example, I have drawn one diagram at the line of FIFO system. You can see one end is the rear end, and is the another end is the front end. Through the front end it will be removed very easily, and from the rear end it will be enter. And in the same sequence you can see at the above diagram in LIFO system, push operation can be useful for inserting the data, and pop operation will be useful for removing the data. This is very most important concept in the both concept LIFO system and FIFO system. Firstly, I will teach you the concept about LIFO system. LIFO system tells us that the last in first out type of data. So for this LIFO system, we will see the different points related with your textbook. LIFO system is the last in first out system. In this type of system, the element which is inserted at the last will be deleted first. I have already told about that. So you can learn very easily from the LIFO system, last in first out system, in which data can be inserted at the last, can be removed easily at the first, can be retrieval easily at the first, or to delete the data first whenever it inserted at the last. Stack is an example of LIFO system. It is linear system in which insertion and deletion takes place only at one end. You can see in the given diagram, push operation and pop operation can be performed at only one end, because only one end is open. So due to that, just both the operation, push operation and pop operation, can be performed at only one end, because the other end is closed. Other three end of that is closed. So for this, the both operation, push and pop operation, push operation to insert a new data inside the system, and to remove or to delete the data from the system that is inserted at the last. We will see the third point. The insertion operation referred as a push, I already told about that. Deletion operation is a pop operation. For example, stack of dishes. According to your textbook, the example is stack of dishes. Different dishes are at the from the bottom up to top. So you can see my video for that. If first plate is put at the first end, at the bottom end, and another plate whenever arranges one over the another, then if you want to retrieve the first plate inserted, then there will be need of retrieve the last plate, last dish inserted in that system. So if we want to add a new dish to this stack, then this is added at the top of the stack. Also deletion takes place from the top to bottom. Top to bottom. Why it is called top to bottom? Because in the stack only perform the different operations like top to bottom, because deletion at the one end from the top side. We will see the another system, FIFO system is there. First in first out system. In that system, in the element which is inserted at the first will be deleted first. You can see the diagram also for reference. You can see, if we are inserting an element like A, B, C and D, then the A will be deleted first, B will be deleted, then C will be deleted after that, and D will be deleted at the last. If we are inserting the four elements are there. For example, we have taken here, we got here, and we already seen the another example in stack. I have already told to you. And if we want to insert the different data elements inside the FIFO system, in the stack system there was the two operations was there, push operation, pop operation was there, and in FIFO system there are the two ends, front end and rear end. Through the rear end data will be added, and through the front end data will be removed. So Q is the example of FIFO system. Q is a linear list. The most important example of the FIFO system is Q. Q is the example of FIFO system. A queue is a linear list in which insertion takes place only at one end in the list, known as rear. Insertion takes place only at one list, known as rear. At the rear end, insertion will be takes place and deletion will be takes place at the other end, called front. I have already told you, student. So from that concept we already got the idea. From the rear end data will be inserted, and from the front end data will be removed. A queue for the ticket in a cinema hall, or after watching a cinema, whenever exit gate will allow the different customers, different viewers that have already seen the movies, already watched the movies, can be come out with the exit gate and can be come inside the cinema hall with the entry gate. So we call entry gate as a rear end and exit gate as a front end. So we already got the detailed idea about LIFO system and FIFO system. In the LIFO system, stack is there. In the FIFO system, queue is there. You should have to keep all the important examples over the both systems. I will tell you three important things related as the difference of LIFO system and FIFO system. So listen very carefully. In the LIFO system, stack is there. In the FIFO system, queue is there. In the LIFO system, push and pop operation is there. In the FIFO system, rear end and front end is there. Push operation and pop operation in LIFO system occurs only at one end. In the FIFO system, there are two ends. In the LIFO system, stack is the example. For example, stack of dishes is there. Here, queue of the ticket in the cinema hall is the example of FIFO system. So listen very carefully, read carefully. If you are not understanding the concept, then watch repetitively this video, or you can take a practice by writing the different definition related with both the system and LIFO and FIFO system. So I am thankful to you student for watching this video, and I am very interesting to tell you that do study very hard and best of luck. We will meet in our next video. Thank you very much.